indicted 2103333. You are indicted for the same. Mr. Hagerman was Friday of next week, the 28th of January, is the next week. You both step back in the diary. Thank y'all for bringing this Ms. Johnson report.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Cookie back at you with another update on the young Dolph murder. Justin Johnson and Cornelius Smith have had their first court date today, January 19th, 2022, in Memphis, Tennessee. They were both charged and indicted on the first-degree murder of young Dolph, aka Adolph Thornton Jr. And I'm not gonna lie to you, they both looked like scared little school kids that just got in trouble with their teacher for the first time, or even their parents. They look so, like, they look scared compared to when, like, you see Justin Johnson in his rap videos acting all badass and all that. He is not the same Justin Johnson that we have seen before all of this. I mean, this might be the real Justin Johnson, you know, the one that would tell on everyone and anything to get his way out. Because with the bowling alley thing, I'm just gonna keep bringing this one up. He shot and hit 3 people, and he gets out in 6 months. I mean, that just blows my mind. That just blows my mind. I really hope he doesn't think he can do that in this case, because this time he allegedly killed a man. This time he did not just hit someone allegedly and they survived it. You know, Adolph Thornton died on the scene, and he's never coming back to his family, his friends, his loved ones, or anything like that, because people were jealous of him, of what he has. And that's sad. That sucks. It really does. But I think this time, I think that, you know, he might be actually caught. But you never know, because you can't see no one's face. This is all hearsay that they haven't been here, all circumstantial evidence. You know, unless they actually get some fingerprints and can identify Justin Johnson and Cornelius Smith in this car. Or if they at least get one of them and the other one snitches on the one that they couldn't figure out that was in there, then that's how they figure it out. But there's definitely going to be some people telling on each other in this, just like any case you'll have, even from the smaller cases all the way up to the bigger ones. Just people drop like dominoes, and police just keep getting information, you know, from people that do crimes that can't do the time. You know, I just gotta keep reiterating that people love to do crimes, but they cannot do the time. So basically, in their first court appearance, the judges ran down the list of charges, explained how long they're gonna do and the minimum they would have to do, and if they each had a lawyer and how they were gonna get a lawyer, or if the court needed to, you know, hire them one. And they both said, you know, give them a week or two and they should both be able to get their own lawyer. You know, they're both going to have their families get one for them so that they can get this trial going and get some justice for Adolph Thornton, because he's the one that's, like I said, he's never coming back from this. Not now, not tomorrow, not next year, not 10 years from now, never. And his children and family have to live with that. You know, these guys can move on from that, but the families, they never move on from that. You know, they're stuck from this, you know, unless they're just super strong and they can move on. But from what it looks like on the outside looking in, young Dolph was a rock for that family, and even the whole city of Memphis, and so many people loved him. Even in the world that, you know, people he didn't know, his fans loved him. He just had that much of an impact on the world that I can only imagine what his, you know, immediate family is going through during this time. Now, like I said, I hope this is a speedy trial. We can get this going. But you know how all these high-profile cases are. They get dragged out. You know, we have all the loopholes and all that good stuff. So just, you know, we'll just have to keep tuned in and see how this will play out. But thank you for tuning in to All In Media. It's always going to be all in or nothing. Thank you for tuning in to All In Media and staying all in or nothing. This is your boy Cookie, signing off. Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, education, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.